And when lots of good candidates get screened out, lots of good candidates get screened out. Why they get screened out? Because once I meet them in my academy, I ask them, I realize over a period of 10 to 12 days, yeah, this guy was good. Why the hell did he fail in stage one? And he tells me, I can tell you so many stories like that. And I said, yeah, you shouldn't have failed in the SSB. From my side, you are passed in the SSB. So, and I realized certain mistakes, why these guys get screened out.
Download the SSB SureShot app from Google Play Store to access courses for written exams like NDA, CDS, and FCAT. You can also find courses for SSB personality development and spoken English. Apply the coupon code SIGNUP15 to get 15% off on your first purchase. Call us on 725-930-7111 for any queries.
One guy, when he came, I found him, he said, sir, I have been screened out twice. And okay, I just told him, he called him in the office, then there only we were just talking. Okay, मैंने कहा, what was your last story? He told me something. मैंने कहा, okay, narrate that story. Just like that, without any story. It was his SSB which he had finished the second time when he got screened out. मैंने कहा, narrate your story. And he started narrating. And can you believe, guys, he stammered not once but twice. He used to get stuck. And I realized, and Manika, why this stammer, yeah? What is wrong with you? And this stammer is not, I can tell you number of such stories. I will tell you another one also. And this guy, I realized, Manika, yeah, your bloody speech is not smooth at all. The power of expression is not this thing. And because of that, you look at your confidence is so low. Look at this guy. So I just told him hereafter to focus only on his speech because I knew that boy, I have been seeing him, watching him, he's reasonably good. So this advice I have given to numerous of my candidates. I am giving you all those who are lacking in power of expression, lacking in confidence, get stuck while narrating the story, become over anxious, not able to narrate confidently and with good body language, guys. What is the solution for such guys? It's the same thing I'm telling you. Now, let me tell you, as far as stage one is concerned, or among the most of the points of the stage one are applicable to your SSB process also. What we are looking for? Imagine, guys, boys and girls, in your stage one, look, your GTO is present, your psychologist is present, your interviewing officer is present. There are three guys. All those who are repeaters will understand what I am saying. All the three guys are present in your stage one. Look at that. Now, what's happening? Now, guys, what we are looking for? We are looking for, because stage one is not a complete test, yeah. It's not a complete test. We want to see you whether you meet the basic parameters. You clear the basic yardsticks so that we can include you for the larger part of the selection process. Now, what we are looking for? We are looking for a guy who is reasonably confident. See your confidence we will be testing. How we will test you, I will let you know. You are going to become a future army officer. You are going to be a leader, guys. A leader has to have a good power of expression. Have you seen a leader who can't communicate and he's a leader? Have you seen? A leader has to be good in communication, yeah. On top of that, see the confidence in him, his communication in him, and his communication has to be in a manner that people can understand him. So the body language along with the speech is equally important. Your body language, your communication, your power of expression, so that everybody can understand your level of confidence. Okay? So these are the simple things which we are looking for. Are you able to take part in the group discussion? Will also tell us whether you have the ability to take initiative, whether you have the ability to sort of impress others. Look at that, guys. We will be able to make out. Do you have the ability to influence others or not? So, guys, what are we looking for? To sum up what I said, is the I'm going to disclose you straight away the secret of passing stage one. And please, for God's sake, prepare, go well prepared for it. Now, what is the secret of passing the stage one? All those you can keep it in your mind. There are 4 things which most of you may be knowing. The first thing, guys, is please prepare your OIR, Officers Intelligence Rating Test. And it's such a simple test, yeah. Can't you get an OIR grading 3 in that? We have 5 gradings: OIR 1, OIR 2, OIR 3, OIR 4, and OIR 5. Anybody, let me tell you, who have done the 3 sets, usually you'll have 45 to 50 questions, and verbal and non-verbal. If you have practiced 4 to 5 sets, nobody can fail you in your OIR, which is the simplest. A guy with an average intelligence and reasoning ability can never fail in OIR test. I can give it writing. Now, guys, second principle or second secret, you can call it, is more important. That is writing a relevant story. Written text is also your expression. It's a written expression. Who's going to pass a person who he can't write 4 lines, 5 lines in a story which should be written for approximately 200 words or minimum 8 lines to 12 lines? That should be the story size. That's why you are given such a space. We are not looking for a high quality of a story, because a story is a test of your imagination. Story is a test of your personality. Story is a test of your subconscious mind. That in any case we are going to test you when you do the TAT. What are we looking for in one story? Yeah? At least you write a story which is relevant to the picture. It means you understand. What is this PPTT? What is PPTT? Picture perception. Are you able to perceive the picture properly? It is perception of the picture. If you are not able to perceive the picture, then what is the point of writing that story? The simple secret है, because इससे हमें क्या लगेगा यार, you have understood the picture correctly. It means your factor 1 is clear. You understand the picture, you perceive the picture, and your imagination is good. And how you make a relevant story thereafter will give us, okay, you are perfectly fine. Your factor 1 is okay. You are generally doing well. Okay? Now, after that, this is the second secret, guys. Writing a relevant story. You know that in a circle, you have to write name, his age, and his mood. Now, guys, the third point, which is the most important point. What is that? The third point is, remember this definition of mine, which I have told every candidate of mine. I tell them, narrate your story confidently, precisely, to the point, with good body language. What do you mean by good body language? अरे यार, आप लोगों में से ना 40% आप देख लेना, all those who are repeaters who will tell me, sir, you are right. अरे right क्या, मैंने कितने सैकड़ों करते हैं स्टेज पर, नरेट करेगा वो एक बंदी की आंखों में देखेगा. Is this a body language? Or he will look at the instructor, और वो GTO या साइकोलॉजिस्ट की तरह. Are you addressing them? The GTO initially briefing में बोला है, don't look at us, look at your group. अरे look at your group यार, like I'm looking at everybody's face. See, and likewise you should look at your group यार. Your head should move, your eyes should move, your facial expression should speak. Look at this. Can't you do that? Means आप जब नरेट करते हो यार अपनी स्टोरी को, अरे भैया उसमें थोड़ा सा कॉन्फिडेंस तो लाओ यार. आप तो 3-4 हकला के दे दो यार, आप अच्छी खासा बात कर सकते हो. Look at the way you narrate the story यार. That's why I said, for God's sake, practice this. And for this only, I opened this club called Show Shot Club. All those who will be members of this club, this membership for the November month, I have told them do maximum group discussion, maximum stage ones, maximum lecturates, and maximum, such motivational kind of thing. This is our a kind of social service group, Short Short Club. Ultimately, what we do in our academy is boost your morale, your confidence, your power of expression, and most important, your सेल्फ कॉन्फिडेंस इमर्जेस आउट ऑफ योर सेल्फ एस्टीम. हम आपके सेल्फ एस्टीम को इंजेक्शन देते हैं. बस मेरा काम एज ए जर्नल एक ही काम है, ओनली टू लिफ्ट योर सेल्फ एस्टीम. बाकी चीजें सब अपनी जगह में आ जाती है. बिकॉज मुझे पता है 60 से 70% लोगों को सेल्फ एस्टीम का इंजेक्शन चाहिए. बस उनका सेल्फ एस्टीम इतना लो होता है ना, क्या बताऊं आपको. ये मेरा एक्सपीरियंस है. बिकॉज इंटरव्यू में ये देखता हूं मैं, जब मैं इंटरव्यूज लेता हूं कैंडिडेट्स का, self-esteem is pretty low. Look at that. Can you believe we as assessor there, the moment your narrative is very good, we'll circle your name. Thak, ye banda fit hai yaar. Circle. Uske baad the fourth thing, which is again the most important. Third and fourth की वजह से लोग fail और pass होते हैं ज्यादातर. Fourth is also most important. That is your group discussion. What are we looking at that? What is the secret of that? That means participate in the group discussion minimum 2 to 3 times and contribute your bit towards reaching to a common story. How much you contribute towards reaching to a common story? Are you able to influence your group? Are you able to speak up in this fish market? Sometimes for repeaters it's a fish market, but guys who have guts, because it's a competition, guys. It's a highly competitive environment, more so in a repeaters group. For fresher, it is not much of a problem, and that's the reason I tell first chance is your golden chance, guys. First chance is your golden chance. So first chance, you must bloody work very, very hard. Okay? Look at that. Don't leave any stone unturned, because once you become a repeater, the degree of difficulty gets, it becomes increasingly difficult for you. Degree of difficulty increases for you because you fall down in your own eyes. Your self-esteem goes down. यार मैं फेल हो गया यार, फिर दोबारा मैं फिर फेल हो गया यार, फिर आपका सेल्फ एस्टीम गेट्स ए बिग किक. फिर उसको फिर मेरे पास आना पड़ता है, फिर मैं उसको वो पुराना उसको निकालना पड़ता है, फिर उसको बूस्टर डोज देनी पड़ती है. See this. Now, narrating your story, see again what comes. Not only your communication skill comes into play now. Look at this. It is more your ability to influence the group comes. Who can influence a group? Who can influence a group? Again, the same thing. A guy who's confident, a guy who's bold, a guy who's assertive, a guy who can speak well. He can influence the group. यार सबके बस की बात है ग्रुप को इन्फ्लुएंस करना. किस्मत दम है बार बार बोलने का. Ensure that his voice is heard. That also requires guts. A guy who is mild, who is soft, who is shy, he will not be able to come up. So therefore, for him, the first chance is the best chance. First chance को छोड़ना नहीं उसने. तो first chance में पूरी जान लगा के जाना है. याद रख लेना है. मेरी बात को याद रख लेना, because first chance में selection के बड़े ज्यादा chances होते हैं, बहुत ज्यादा chances होते हैं. Okay? So guys, these are the 4 secrets of success for your stage 1. And last point I will tell you guys, don't be serious, too much serious in life. You got to be serious for your career. Why not? You got to be focused. Why not? There is no doubt on that. But serious means, yeah, oh my God, look at their faces. Sir, I am very serious for SSB. Very serious for this. तो ऐसे बंदे बहुत में सेलेक्ट नहीं होंगे. Because let me tell you one secret which always I tell my candidates. Always my tell. So guys, what I'm trying to tell you, remember this secret of mine. Happiness leads to success. Okay? Happiness leads to success. Never that success will lead you to happiness. That's a wrong assumption. Because success मिलेगी नहीं आपको, भागती रहेगी success आपसे. If you are happy in life, let me tell you, ये रूल है, नेचर का रूल है, गॉड का रूल है। आप किसी साधु महात्मा से पूछ लेना, मैं हूं नहीं लेकिन कह रहा हूं, ये सबकी मैंने देखी है, सबकी बातों में अंत में निचोड़ यही है, जिसको मैं सिंपल लैंग्वेज में मैंने अपना डायलॉग बना रखा है, हैप्पीनेस लीड्स टू सक्सेस। और आप लोगों का फॉर्मूला है सक्सेस लीड्स टू हैप्पीनेस, वो गलत फॉर्मूला है भैया, उसको चेंज करो। पहले खुद हैप्पी हो जाओ। अगर आप हैप्पी हो, लिख के ले लो मेरे से, आपका चांस सक्सेस का बढ़ गया, आपका चांस जो है सक्सेस होने का बढ़ता जाए। तो अपने आप को खुश रखो यार, इतना दुखी रखते हो सारा। अब बंदा जो है स्टेज 1 में आता है इतना बर्डन लेकर के, व्हाट इज थिंकिंग है, भगवान पास होगा नहीं होगा, इस बार भी सारा स्क्रीन आउट होगा। उसकी बॉडी लैंग्वेज बोल रही है हमको, सर आप मुझे करो ना फटाफट स्क्रीन आउट बिकॉज ही इज सो टेंस यार, he is so tense. Look at this. The signals, body language, the vibes which he gives now, he gives this kind of tense vibes. A guy who's energetic, enthusiastic, and motivated, you will see he's speaking. Don't have to smile, laugh. I'm not saying you have to do a fake thing. No, be natural. But by your tone only, we can make out your level of happiness, how satisfied you are. We can make out by your tone only how tense you are. अभी बोल दूंगा आपको, आपकी स्टोरी पढ़ने के लिए आप एक एक आदमी का अलग अलग आप नजारा निकाल लोगे, बोलोगे। ये होता है हमारी एकेडमी, रात दिन हम यही देखते हैं यार। लुक एट दिस। सो गाइस प्लीज, तो लास्ट में मैं क्या बोलूंगा, जो आज मैंने सीक्रेट बताया है, आप यूं करोगे, अगर ये 4 चीजों का ध्यान रखा, यू विल क्रैक व्हाट इज द ब्लडी स्टेज 1 यार। अभी तो असली प्रोसेस तो शुरू होना है, but it will be smooth sailing. Don't carry any burden, any tension in the stage 1. Face it like a bloody tiger and face on the process only. Focus on the process. जो हो रहा है उसी में ध्यान दो। I am going to narrate my story very well. I am going to participate in the group discussion very well. Don't think pass fail, वही दिमाग में घूमता रहता है यार। कौन सा सारा फेल हो जाओगे तो अगली बार पास हो जाओगे सर? कौन सी जिंदगी हाथ से निकल रही है? It's just one of the test. ऐसे कई एग्जामिनेशन में आप जाओगे, तो ये एक आपने बनाना है, लेकिन याद रख लेना, फॉर गॉड से प्रैक्टिस करके जाना। ओके, तो दिस इज व्हाट आई वांटेड टू टेल यू।
Don't forget to subscribe to our new channel SSB Short Plus for exclusive new videos. Also follow us on Instagram for all the latest updates. Check out a Short guide to crack SSB on Amazon. The link is in the description below.